Morning, everyone. Good morning, good night. How's it going? Good evening, guys. How do you feel today? What's up, everyone? Great to see you. You'll be having a lovely day. Aren't you? How are you doing, chat? Oh, yeah. This is the way about June. But let me go ahead and share the presentation. Make sure to share the live stream with all the members, pretty much in all the trading groups. No one wants to miss out what we're doing here. Oh, yeah. Especially the $150,000. Today's a good day. Badger is back. Ha 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 ha. Badger is back in business. Oh, yeah. How did you enjoy your time? How did you spend your time, Badger? Give us some insights. Give us some of the insights to your secrets. Ha 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 ha. Oh, let me fix my green tea, guys. There's something missing through my green tea. The cup. The cup and handle. Good morning, good day. Welcome, Miss K9. Good evening. Well, well. I asked you yesterday on my Discord if I am too ambitious to dream about the yellow bucks here on the 4-hour candlesticks for... Yeah, that's the yellow bucks, and I've asked my community on Discord yesterday if I'm too ambitious dreaming about the yellow bucks. Let's see the price action we had yesterday when I was mentioning that one. Give me a moment, guys. Yeah, we're probably gonna scroll like this. There you go. So the price was 30,000, right? 526. I had the yellow box written there. 30,526. Now it's 29,730s. So that's basically 700 points higher. Gave the call. Today I'm still questioning. What if for the yellow box slightly above 28,000, guys? That's a 4-hour candlestick. Certainly not expecting it today. We could have something like this, which takes a few days and thousands of points. But we're going to take it slowly. We got paid from the FundedSeat. Celebration time. Oh, yeah. Our 3 accounts of $150,000 are back to 51,600. We've got our 1,500 from FundedSeat, guys. Celebration time. 4,500. Totally. Where's my green tea? Where's my green tea? By the way, you can check out the FundedSeat business. Surely, we're using the Flex accounts. Very, very similar to Lucid. Very similar. Now, we need 4 more days. 4 more days of trading with minimum $250 a day. I should do that. But let me double check basically with the payouts in the cycle here. I'll double check. One-step flex policy. Between the cycle is what I care. Lovely. Of your total profits. Lovely. 50% of the total profits. So total, not just cycle profits. That is very important for the second, third cycle and so on, right? Total profits, not just the cycle profits. So we still have our profits counting. Which means we got to do another 1,500, just as much we're going to cash out. That's what we're going to do. 1,500 for our 50K in 4 days. That's the minimum time. Do the math. 1,500 in 4 days. What's that? $3.75 a day. $3.75 a day, copy trading. Let's do it, guys. Let's turn on the copy trader. Parent account, child accounts. $3.75 per day for the next 4 days. And we're taking out another 1,400 from each. But Lucid is the big deal because very likely by Monday or Tuesday next week, very likely we're taking out 15 grand from Lucid, maxed out. Let me grab my cup for the green tea. Make sure to like the video in the meantime. I'll be back in 2 freaking minutes. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Give me that. The last 2 trading days are 80,000 bucks. Slightly more than we lost in 2 days, right? Wow. Look at us, guys. Ha 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 ha. We're not going to have an easy time longing the price action. Oh yeah. Green tea is going to fix everything. 15 grand. Make sure to fill up the form. Fill up the form, guys. You don't want to miss out on giveaways. Oh, lovely, Badger. Now I can see your response. Was not long enough. Relaxed at the cabin. Spent a few time and a bit of a time on the boat. Oh ho. Not really. Not enough, Fred. Not enough. Unfortunately, not enough. But we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it with the new round of payouts. 5-minute representation is a heavy hammer. Good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. We're going to take it one by one, slowly, having our Lucid accounts open with Quant Tower and continuing the journey. Very likely today I'm going to post a video, guys. We talked about our Lucid defensive approach, defensive strategy. Today I'm going to post a video, as promised, with the offensive strategy. I do know a lot of you enjoy pushing, and forcing the things. So let's just create a context, create a structure, and create some sense for those of you that are enjoying the aggressive strategies. We're going to post that video today. Yeah. Certainly, sir. It has been a great time, especially for the kids. Oh, I'm watching this one closely. I got to think about a sizing, guys. We have to do 375, so certainly going to sit around the micros. We're not going to touch minis here. And we're going to size in by portions of 3 micros. Right, so we're going to DC around and size in, size out by 3 micros at a time. Hello. Any evaluations? On FundedSeat, everything is funded. 5 accounts funded. I have evaluations on Tap1 Futures. On Lucid, we have 5 funded, but we still have some evaluations sitting around. Now we're having a very, very comfortable situation. Savius is all funded, and YRM is not much going around. You know, guys, you know the story. So 50,000 flexes from Lucid, 50,000 flexes from FundedSeat. Good day, Twister. Good day, guys. Great to have you onboarded. This is an interesting 5-minute representation here. And I certainly do not want to hurry up. You see, what's the problem trading MACD, trading RSI, trading any momentum indicator? So the RSI during this kind of situations are constantly going to show you long entries via oversold, oversold, oversold. Those indicators cannot cover heavily trending price action that is strongly directional, right? So indicators that are measuring, like the RSI, Relative Strength Index, have some significant limitations. At the same time, there's ways of utilizing them in a ranging structure proactively, higher efficiency. I do know for a reason, the more indicators you guys will try to use, the better you have to be with them, understanding them, navigating and utilizing. And then the more you combine, the harder is going to be for your psychology to navigate between the signals. Good day, good morning. Hey, welcome, buddy. First time watching. Enjoy your time running the giveaways daily and trading daily. I'm a price action momentum trader, scalper. Oh, that's a lovely green tea. Glad of you, Japanese fellas. Having some proper work done with a green tea. I'm not saying not to use RSI under any conditions in any context, but you can use RSI specifically when it works, which means you have to decide, find out when it works. Are you willing to find it out when it works in your pocket? If you do, then you need to know that it has a price. The price is the learning curve. So if you're willing to pay that price, 8 a.m. EST time. Good morning, 12 ACDC. Are you the ones dumping the markets today with millions of contracts? You can do backtesting without forgetting that environments are changing, Kim. Environments are changing. I don't think you're going to do backtesting for 3 to 4 years. Environments are changing. We have environments such as the AI context, which is unique. And it is without historical presence in terms of structure. It's one very fundamentally unique thing. You couldn't test anything like that. Formula is working. Yes. Formula is working. Make sure to complete a form, guys. 150,000 flexes. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, by the way. Thank you for joining our stream. Yeah, market changes. So to the type of structure you've been doing backtesting, you can get a set of results that might not be discoverable in the next 12 months. It's working. Make sure to like the video, guys. Minimum 180 likes. I like to trade right now, but I'm gonna touch some of the longs. Remember, 375 for 4 days, and we're taking the next payout of 4,500 on FundedSeat. We're a second cycle, guys. 50,000 flexes. 50,000 flexes, 6% target, all the classic things, right? You know, no consistency on the funded stage. Minimum 4 days instead of minimum 5. Lucid has 5. These guys are having 4. There is a difference basically in the payout value. Lucid has 2,000 on the 50K. These guys are having 1,500 on the 50K for the payout value. But at the same time, you want to keep in mind that there is no reason why not to dive in both. Have your Lucid maxed out, which is the best choice. #1 prop firm by far, Lucid. Oh yeah. And then, of course, you want to have 10, 15, 20 evaluations confirmed and have them running. So for those of you that are questioning how can you achieve 10,000, 15,000 a month constantly? Well, you certainly have to run through 2 or 3 prop firms, maxing out the funded accounts, and have a flow of evals and funded accounts that is maybe sometimes quite high, right? Making some money here. 6 micros. We're going to take some of the profits there. 375 is what I need. We're going stop loss break even, guys. 4 days. Oh, 375. I'm seeing a little more here. Lovely. We have the trailing in profit. Maybe this candle or the next one is going to give us the KYC process at FundedSeat is done by a third-party company, just like it's with all the other prop firms. You know those companies that are doing KYC. Yes, the same procedure. You upload your ID and face verification, yes. Trailing of profit has been touched. You guys like the short we made money yesterday? Every week, every day. Welcome. $22 here. The risk of undercutting today is heavy. So break-evens must be a must. Must be a must. Break-evens will protect you today. And not just today. Who's playing today, guy? Who's playing later? We got Portugal, right? Portugal. Unlike Norway against Senegal. Colombia not playing today, are they? Yeah, with Congo. Welcome everyone. Hey, great to see you. Great to have you on board, guys. Thank you so much for joining. You want to like the video? Be subscribed, join our Discord. You don't want to miss out on any valuable insight. Should have got into a short there and should have kept my long. Target was there. Yes. Certainly not an issue, Fred. England. I'm from Hungary. As a place I born. Kids crying. Fighting over toys. Oh. So where is Norway? 12AC. Where is Norway? Where is my Norway? Yeah, I do look American. They're not finding the whale. The whale is on my office. Where is the whale? It used to be here. Amish guy. So here we are, guys. You must have Norway. You must have Norway for the World Cup. Maybe not winning the World Cup, but we could have a top 8. Top 8. Oh my gosh, what a price section here for some of the guys. But I tell you, the prop firms today made a ton of money. People blowing accounts. Oh, what do you expect from the New York session? I think this is the way we're going to continue throughout the whole week. I think this is basically a price section expecting the PCE news we have around inflation. Probably confirming the hawkish stance of Fat Chair Mr. Kevin. Prop firmers happy today. Oh, I like that. Longing it here a little bit. Long, even though it's risky. But we could have some of the momentum, guys. It's risky. Yeah, that's why I'm going low on sizing. Oh. It's a difficult time. You want to be careful about a short. This kind of 30-40 points, the upside, will always appear. Oh yeah. I'm familiar, yes, with the Amish. Selling partially here, guys, selling partially. You just can't trust this whole thing blindly. We need 375. We need 375. Hopefully back up. I don't know about that for the summer. Kim, I don't know about an all-time high. Let me ask the chat. This is a quite interesting question. So June, July, that's fine. August. Let me ask you the following in the chat. As a pool, do we see all-time high on Nasdaq before 2027, right? So do we see another all-time high this year? That's the question, guys. Let me see what you think about. Do you see another all-time high in 2027 for Nasdaq? If this is coming below 27,000, add a little more here to my position. Let me see what you guys think about. I'm a momentum trader based on price action. I'm trading between meaningful points, scalping between meaningful points. It always goes high. The question is for the rest of the 2026. There is not much buffer in this account. They're coming in fresh after the payout. Let me see the next candle. I'm certainly not enjoying this one. We'll be DCing a little bit and then selling partially as soon as we move higher here. I do expect something. Come on. Just a little more so I can get partially. There you go. That was lovely. That was lovely, fellas. Exactly on time as expected. Ha ha ha. Good morning. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Oh, yeah. It depends how deep are we going to correct, guys. We're down 47 bucks today, Jake. Selling partially here. We only need 375 on this account. Lovely. A limit order has been touched. Stop loss break even. Break even has been touched. We're up 42 bucks, by the way. Still decent. We're gonna run a round of fireworks for that. Let me tell you something. We have to build a confidence. Good morning, good day. Boom. But I believe it is also important to see the way we ended yesterday. 35 grand profit. 2 days, more than 80,000. Lucid. Anouk, Lucid. Here's the link. Max discount, Scrambo code, Lucid Flex, no consistency. Lucid Flex accounts. Those are the best. Lucid Flex, no freaking consistency. This one. 50,000 or 150,000, whatever sizing, you can have 5 funded, unlimited evaluations. I'm testing a little long from here, 6 micros. So both of your accounts are funded. Right? Both of your accounts are funded on Flex, on Lucid. You need so let me tell you in 5 days, basically, for the 50,000, you got to do $3,000 bucks, which means $600 a day. For the 25K is a type of account. I'm telling you right now. For the 50K, $2,000. 2,000. Not 3. 3 is for the evaluation stage. And for the 25K, 1,000. If you want those payouts, so this one requires basically $4,000, the 50K, and $2,000, the 25K. For you to take 1,000 payout or 2,000 payout on the other side, 50% of your profits. You gotta rephrase that. 50% of your profits can be cashed out up to the cap. If you want for the 50K, 4,000 profit, taking the max payout, 2,000. 25K, you do 2,000 profit with a max payout of 1,000. That's the way it works. 4,000 on the 50K, 2,000 on the 25K, you're taking the max payout, 50% of that. A little down here, but I'm gonna DCA into. Oh yeah. Little more DCAing here. Not getting excluded. You also have a minimum per day. But you have no consistency. You have a minimum per day. You want to keep in mind the minimum per day is 150 for the 50K and $100 for the 25K. I'm not risking. You got to keep in mind those minimum 5 trading days. Must have that minimum. They do not have to be in a row. So our accounts, the big belly account, we got to long 10 minis. We got to long 10 minis again on the big belly accounts. Aha. Oh yeah. But the discussion is here quite important for the FundedSeat. Without a daily minimum, the big belly accounts are on Lucid. The big belly is the way I'm calling the accounts that are sitting at 400 grand and 380 and all that stuff, right? We built them from 150,000. We got 150,000 Lucid Flexes. Where's the message speaking about? Where's the we do have an image. This one. These are all Lucid flexes. Funded accounts, of course. I'm calling them Big Belly because of the sizing. Not large, just up to the cap. Up to the cap. But we've been building this ones naturally, right? So we've been trading all the accounts normally, all the accounts we have at different prop firms, and then building this ones without any crazy reason of payouts, because you can't take more than the max cap. We've been just building them next to each other. FundedNext+Futures, interesting company. I'm not trading there at the moment, but we do have basically great options. Lucid is a great option. FundedSeat is a great option. FundedSeat, you know, instant fund. Gotta slow down here, guys. I expected a reaction. Where is it? DC out a little. DC out a little here. Run the FundedSeat. Yes, we got payouts from the Big Belly. You see, I was looking for a stronger rejection from the red candle we had closing, and then this green candle would have come out nicely on top of it, right? This way is not my bread and butter. Yeah, we're gonna do the gold analysis too at some point. Just not at the moment. Make sure to join our Discord community, guys, especially if you want to be part of the giveaways, daily giveaways. Yes, we've been cashing out from the Big Belly accounts 3 weeks ago. Expecting a stronger reaction here, and it's kind of messing. Come on, rip it. Rip it, guys. We're not looking that bad. This is kind of the sizing about this 50k accounts. This is kind of the sizing. Micros. Few micros. No, you don't have to nap. Eat less. Eat less 12 AC. And you're not gonna nap. Plus, where's the green tea? You gotta stop the un café. You gotta stop doing café. And running a green tea. Having 1.2 liters a day of green tea. And you're not gonna sleep at 4 a.m. So you become productive. Why is that happening with Formula with you? What trading platform? This is a Volumetrica, guys, for FundedSeat. Volumetrica is top notch, by the way, with a trade copier integrated with daily lockout based on losses, profits, weekly lockout, all these conditions that you can apply automatically or you can have them manually introduced daily. We have some nice trading panel to control the whole thing. We have on-chart trading. The execution is moving nicely for Volumetrica. This is from the deep charts. There's quite a few firms having Volumetrica. Oh, so you're with the nurses again. Where's the green candle, guys? We do have slight support here on the 700s. But I'm already... Let's see right now if we can react. Yeah, I'm DCing a little bit. I'm DCing a little bit. Oh, yeah. Give me something stronger. Give me something stronger. Oh, yeah. Come on. Beautiful. We're over leveraged right now on this account. We're over leveraged. I've DCA'd on that wick, which is great, but we're over leveraged, and I'd like to get out of this position. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Ha ha ha. Selling partially. And I'm fully out. 347 bucks profit, guys. Celebration time. Celebration time. We still need 375 totally. Boom, that's another 30 bucks to be made on this one. And then our Lucid Big Belly accounts are making big money. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah, let's just have those guys open. Boom. Oh, so you got nurses. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We still need to go 375. This is second cycle for our 50,000 flexes and FundedSeat. No consistency. And we just got to do 1,500 in the second cycle. We're copy trading 3 accounts. It is. It is if you ladder up at a certain level. There you go, Fred. 2 lovely green candles should be sufficient to make some money. I'm gonna secure my profits here for all the accounts. 4,700, guys, on the Big Belly celebration time. Oh my gosh. Oh. Continuing, we gotta do our 30 bucks. Let's not lose our focus. Thank you, guys. So that 5-minute structure is an absolute juice. Tell me, what do you guys expect for the New York session? I think last week's low will be held for resistance 923. Plus VWAP is about 30,000. How about having more than 300 points away? Gap between the price action and the daily VWAP. More than 300 points. 350, 360 points gap. What platform is best for Lucid? I suggest you for Lucid. Let me show you right now. Rhythmic connection with Quantower. We're trading Quantower, this one. Wow. Look at it, pullback. That's why you want to exit at the top. We're trading Quantower. Software base. And it's highly functional, unlike Quantower. There's also TradeC, and I made a tutorial for TradeC. Yeah, I don't think it is better at the moment than Quantower. We do have Ninja, we've got Tradeovate if you love those. We have Formula today. We do have Formula today. It's functioning. You can have it here, plus we can have it on our Discord. Here we go, Jake. We got to do another 30 bucks here. And you certainly know how hard it is to do your last dollars for the target. way harder than the 90% made so far. We've got 420. Oh yeah. Yeah, TradeSeat is certainly having quite a few issues. But I'm expecting by 2027 to be heavily improved. Heavily improved. So for the moment, not really a fan of TradeSeat. No. $30. Not gonna fumble. We're going to do the gold analysis soon. I'm expecting gold downwards. Downwards. Down we go for the next period. Correction is still in the books. We gotta do our $30, guys, from here. Let me test out a little long. A little long for the $30. And I'm fully out. Celebration time for $20 made, guys. That was it. So simple. So simple. This is just like trading a personal account. There's no difference. This is the way I would trade my personal account too. Under this kind of sizing. Boom. Like I told you, we're going to have this challenge. Put $25,000 on a personal live account. Of personal resources, right? So that's what it means, personal account, personal resources, not prop firm. And trying to do from 25,000 to 100,000. We're going to do this challenge completely transparently. Probably wouldn't work with Tasty Trades or a different broker. And we're going to still trade prop firms, of course. We do continue with the props. The thing is, I want to take 25,000 to 100,000. And then 100,000 to half a million. And I'll take that half a million out. But as soon as we hit targets, guys, we'll do like this. We got 25,000. Once we hit 50, I'll give you some money. I'll give you maybe $3,000 or $1,000 or $5,000. Right? So for every great achievement, we're going to give you cash money. What do you guys think about this idea? I think it's a good one. A decent one. FundedSeat do have a minimum 10 seconds for 50% of your trades. 10 seconds for 50%. In other words, let me explain that to you. They have a microscoping rule, Kim. 50% of your profits must be made. Look at that. They're down right now. But I think my connection is down. My connection was down, actually. 50% of your profits must be made from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. Exactly, Fred. It's going to be a lovely challenge and a journey. A journey that you guys can be part of. And we're going to reward people with cash money. %50 of your trades, of the profits must be made from trades held minimum 10 seconds. Yeah. 420, so we've finished trading here for the 3 accounts. We still have 3 more days of 375, and we're taking the second round of payouts. Now continuing with the instant funding bolt. If you guys like instant funding, then FundedSeat has an instant funding named Bolt. Highest account is 100,000, and it's the only instant funding I know without consistency. Like instant funding without consistency, and instant funding with daily payouts. And this is starting from the second cycle. So no consistency on daily payout starts from the second cycle. Your target is just 5%. upturn. So, closing out on the pool, 61% consider yes, all-time high on Nasdaq before 2027. It's likely, or very likely. Yeah, no trade of 8 for the moment. No trade of 8. It's very likely. But I wish we would have a prolonged distribution in the price action of Nasdaq. Just a few months. If we have the next 3 months, no all-time high, and we're going to sit between 27,000 and the current price action, that would be nice. 20% retracement during September. Yeah. It is expected for the crypto space, Jonathan, to have its end of the bear market around October, based on, you know, the cycle timing of the cycles around October, end of bear market. That could nicely line up with the massive retracement from the Nasdaq through September. But there is a significant chance we're going to have a monthly closing on a double-digit retracement. You want to keep that in mind. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Continuing to trade. And we'll continue on the big belly accounts. But for the moment, would like to do some money on this instant funding bolt. Cheers, everyone. Where is your cognac 12 AC? Have you got your cognac ready for today? Good morning, good day. You want to look into the weekly. The weekly charting is ugly. It's ugly. $26,400, last year's high. 26,400. Three and a half is interesting. 3.5. But I do have some uncertainties because of the AI disruption possibilities, right? So some things have been disrupted in the space of cryptos. I am certainly disrupted by that. Yeah. What happened, guys? You don't like this kind of 1 minute candles, are you? I think we're going lower here. I'm shorting. Let's see. It was the 5-minute algo. That's what we got. Market opens in 3 minutes. And I'm shorting the lows. You saw my Ethereum trade 12 AC. Shorting the lows. Yeah. He's extremely jealous. Because of Bosnia, right? You can ask him about Bosnia. What happened at the qualifications? What happened at the penalties? Oh. I'm out of this trades, guys. Thank you. I'm out. Let me take that profit. Let me take that profit. Like 1,000 or 1,500. But I'm happy for that. Certainly don't want to be greedy when you have a trade that's not A+. You don't want to be greedy when you got a trade that can now offer you the big values are expected. Market opens. We're not going to talk about gold right now. Market opens a little later. Expect something at the opening, guys, in terms of hundreds of points, and you gotta be careful touching minis today. You might want to stick around micros. They should come up on greatness. There is not much gold around here, indeed. But we can look into it. We can look into it. Maxed 2 micros for 12 AC for the first 30 minutes. So you know what that speaks? That speaks he likes to gamble, but he wants to do it cautiously. This could be wild. A few seconds to go, guys. A few seconds to go. You want to watch out. We're opening the bell. Beautiful opening bell. Here we go. Best of luck, everyone. I'm longing it here. Call me crazy. Call me crazy right away. Call me crazy. Quantower is stuck. We've longed the opening. And that might be the type of madness I enjoy. Look at that. Quantower is totally stuck, guys. Oh. But I'm expecting reactions from both sides. Lovely. Lovely because of this, guys. We made 1,174. And let me get out of this trade too. Fully out. 11,545. You know, the chart is extremely delayed. But the P&L is real. 11,545, which means we made $5,000. Celebration time. Oh yeah. Boom. Nat P&L. 1,174 here on this instant funding bolt. We got to lose 170 bucks, which means I'm going to short it. We got to lose that money because of consistency reasons. Super delay. We don't need profits here, excuse me. No, we got out and we secured that profit. Got green on the open, that's good. We gotta lose like 400 right now. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Lose that 400. Come on, lose that 400 bucks. Shouldn't be that hard. Should not be that hard. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Good job, Dr. Kulu. Congratulations. 1,010. We still have to lose $10. 980. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Second day of lovely profits here on the instant funding bolt. We're going to run some celebration. Oh, yeah. That's important. We only need 3 more days for this one and we'll take the pound. 5 days of trading. And then we have the last account here, Funded, which is not having much of a drawdown. Let me double check on that. We have $400 drawdown, guys. 400 on this one. $400 left. So let me see if I can do something with it. Have an emergency. Having emergency type of trading. We're gonna short this 3 micros. But we're going to get out there and short the price section on the big belly accounts too. So we have a 600 bucks drawdown. Let's see if we can recover. Lovely, guys. Lovely. I'm selling here. 450, 406. Beautiful, guys. 406 profit. We increased the drawdown from 600 to 1,000. Plus, we made some money here. 10,000 bucks on Lucid, guys. I'm totally out. See you next time. 1,000 bucks. $21,000 profit for today. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. How we sculpted that 10-minute short. $21,000 profit here. Oh my gosh. Boom. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firm's getting terrified. Look at that. 406. Let's take care about this one. We cannot cross 1,000 bucks profit today. We cannot cross that. Testing along here, guys. Testing it. with 3 micros. All the way back. All the way back. All the way back. 757. That's my target, baby. 757. Attack it. Attack it, guys. Ha ha ha. Too much profit here. Wait till the end. You want to wait till the end. Not gonna DCA in this one. Ha ha ha. This is an important candle here. We cannot show weakness. No. You don't want to show weakness, Nasdaq. I've DCA'd. Stop loss break even. So now I'm watching and going for the $1,000 target, which is the maximum because of the consistency. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh. 992 fully confirmed, guys. I told you. I told you we're gonna take this account back. Boom. So that's how you trade an account. On the opening, 12 AC on the opening, which is only having a little drawdown left. Good luck, everyone. All the 5 accounts profit. Back-to-back profits. The 50K ones, as much as it's needed with our comp trading, we're 420. We only need 375 for 4 days. Not even needing in a row. 4 days, 375 are taking the second cycle pound, 4,500 from 350K accounts. And then we have 2 instant funding Bolt. We made our 1,000 here, 980. This is day number 2. 3 more days needed for the pound, and this is 992. Which is having how many days? Let me double check. It's having 4 days. 4 days. Look at that P&L. 4 days. 3 profits, 1 daily loss. Kinda new here. Welcome, buddy. Good to see you. Trade of it lagging. Indeed. So all the 5 accounts hitting great profits. That's the most important part. Questioning the places of shorting this with my big belly accounts. I can sort it out for them with a World Bank. Oh, this is having 25,000. The other one is having just 21 for today. Right? 21,500s, but the other one is having 25. And the third one is having 25,700s. We almost have 3 big belly accounts. Time to trade the other 2 as well. This one, for example, trading only for $250 minimum. $250 minimum. We gotta collect our DAO. We've got enough money there. 156, right? You know, for the max pound, you gotta do 156. This is 5 funded accounts on Lucid. So I'm just gonna go for the minimum, $250. I'm shorting a price action here. I'd like to see the next candle of 1 minute downwards. I'm out. 321. There you go. Celebration time. That's the way it works, guys. Celebration time. 321 profit there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. 321 profit there. Oh. And just about getting out the right time. They're coming right after my stop losses, which are no longer there. Let's go for the next account. Producing the 250. We got 159 here, so we're going to take the max payout. Testing along here. Testing along. It's interesting. I'm out. Oh, so we traded the wrong account. Oh my gosh. We traded the wrong account. We traded the account we traded earlier. We're having 663. So instead of having the 250 in the other one, I didn't switch. I haven't switched, guys. We got 663 here. And 0 on the next one. Haha. We gotta do the 250 again. Gotta do 250 again. We're having a difficult time here. Jake, we're having a difficult time here. Shorting. Yeah, shorting this one. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. They're trying to be aggressive. Ha ha ha. Well, we've got our exit there. And the take profit is just millimeters away. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Back-to-back profits, no losses today. At some point, it no longer matters how is the price action, how wild is the price action. Your trading can be even more animalistic. Oh yeah, take profit hit, guys, 276, beautiful. Not expecting different. Celebration time, so all the 5 Lucid are big money. All the 5 Lucid. Boom. We might still trade a big value ones for some extra couple dollars. 21,500. 25. I like that. All like that. Yes, Mr. Relax. A great one. I do have videos on my channel about their payout rules. You can check that out. I have a review. I have trading rules. I have payout rules. You can check that out. Oh, Destiny, look at that. Welcome to hear that. Boom. Today, the profit is a ton. I would say unlimited. Gotta trade some Savius too. $14,000 on YRM, guys. 14 grand profit on YRM. $14,000. We have another big belly here, 237. 14 grand here on YRM. We might be bleeding. We might be bleeding here. Look at that. We actually touched a level of the algo, the green line. Dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price. Usually delivering reactions of meaningful resistance or support. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. We're having a chill time. Forcing for a stronger move. I will be testing a short here on the big belly accounts. It is certainly risky. It is certainly risky. But the big belly accounts have a different situation. Not getting payouts from YRM. Have not requested anything right now. They're very slow, and I suggested people to stay away. Until payouts are fixed. Yeah. Simon, I suggested everyone, I told everyone on my streams, I told everyone on my Discord that they gotta stay away till everything is fixed on the payout. Yeah, we do talk about a charting daily. We do talk about our trading daily. Just have to be here. And we do talk about it for sure. I'm a momentum trader going with the price action. Yeah, payouts are extremely slow. And it's not that easy for the moon here. It's not that easy. You want to watch out. You want to watch out. This is a candle I was not needing. This is a candle I was not needing. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a double rejection here. Yeah. They're paying extremely slowly, extremely slowly. And that's why I told everyone to be avoided, till payouts are fully fixed. Which is something I'm gonna announce if it happens. If it gets worse, or we have other news, this is the place you're gonna hear directly. I'm in direct contact with their CEO for every important detail that I can discover. But they certainly have problems, certainly. Otherwise, these things would not happen. Is this going to be the way today? Delivering this kind of... Not necessarily enjoying this moves for the last 3 minutes. Not necessarily. But that last week's low, 923, guys, I'm questioning that. 923, last week's low. This is already a place of supply. 900s, already a place of supply. Not easy. But we've got ways of slowly minimizing on the losses and recovering. We got ways around it. Giveaway starts in about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. As soon as we hit 180 likes, we must hit that. We must hit that. 180 likes in 20 minutes. A prop firm. A prop firm which is having problems in the payouts. We've been trading them really good for almost a year. Yet recently, they're struggling. Look at that rejection, guys. Look at that rejection. It's there. It's there. Now the question is going to be all around the wicks we built here, as long as we do still have to take some of the liquidity out from that wicks. That is a big question, guys. And that's the reason I shorted. Yeah. Crypto is not looking good at all. Which is no surprise. No surprise. The bear market continues. This is a lovely movement, guys. Have a look into this. That's some Big deal. Exactly. That's some big deal in the last 20 seconds, the way we reacted denying that 1 minute candle and this one pushing up, guys. I'm still watching closely. I'm watching because of the last week's low. Pivot point here. Oh, that's a good one, Matty. Must have been downwards, right? 250 points. I am trading on 5 minute, 1 minute. The execution happens in 1 minute candlesticks. I use 5 minute and 1 minute for correlation of my execution. 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours daily for pre-trading analysis. But the whole execution here, whether we talk about quant hour or volumetric with a deep charge, happens on the 1 minute sector. Yeah, keeping an eye on the other time frames too is essential. And I think crucial. And let me tell you why. We can always have tensions between the time frames. Do you ever thought about having a bullish hourly with a bearish 5 minute? What do you trade? Let me know, chat. What do you consider? Bullish hourly, bearish 5 minute. What do you trade? Tell me. Oh, that's a good one, Maddie. Congratulations, Maddie. Bullish hourly, bearish 5 minute. What do you trade? So you trade longs even if the 5 minute short term is bearish and could face a retracement of significant points. And then the hourly might step into, recover. But the damage could be a lot for your account, right? Good job, Maddie. Good job. So I believe in this case scenario, when we have a tension between the time frames, I believe you can have a pause of no trading until you convert the 5 minute into at least neutral. Because I strongly believe we have a neutral case as well in the price action when the communication is insufficient. So that's a neutral stance for me. You must at least have it neutral, if not line up with the hourly. That would be much better. Just think about, why wouldn't you only trade when your short term is lining up with a higher time frame charting? Think about it. Why would you trade in a situation when short term is not lined up and it's a tension between? Oh, congratulations, Destiny. Good job. This is ripping insanely. Oh my gosh. There's no reaction, guys. You know, we have a 400 points growth. Are you guys, we have daily VWAP touched here. But this is crazy, guys. 400 points growth. 616 all the way to 30,000. That's 400 points. Wow. This is daily VWAP. 30,992. And it's still going. Look at that. It's still going. Yes. Yes. That's the New York session. Which is why it wouldn't be a bad idea for a lot of the people, for most of you, not to trade a New York session. Or if you actually want to trade a New York session, you could consider not to trade the very first 40 minutes of the New York session. Or the very first hour of the New York session. You can think about it, guys. You can think about it. Volatility is certainly one thing that kills the accounts more than it makes money. Right? Feels great with all these movements, and people and our psychology enjoys quickness, but financially speaking, it loses more than it makes. This environment. Opening first 30 minutes, I can guarantee, if I would have statistics from the prop firms, which I don't have, but I'm right now speculating, most of the accounts are lost within the very first 30 minutes of the New York session. So if that's the case, by not trading during that time frame, you're already eliminating that risk, which is not going to guarantee you cannot lose the account at some point. But I believe, and I guarantee, for a total different experience. Right? So I will call out the firms to give me the information about the very first. I think minimum 50% of the accounts, 50% of the accounts that are active and people lose are lost in the New York session 30 minutes. First 30 minutes of the New York session. So if there is 1,000 accounts lost in a day, 500 of them, for sure, I believe, are lost in the very first 30 minutes. We have a way of coming back, and we have a pretty big profit today on realized profits. So think about eliminating this problem. Not trading during the first 30 minutes or during the first hour. That's why 95% of my trades are done London. And then we trade the big belly. The big belly account is always going with the max payouts. Even if we lose 20, 30 grand, it's not an issue. We're always taking the max payouts here, right? Look at that one. I think for a retracement, for a serious and a genuine retracement, we need time. Because the market makers will try to keep things around here for the 1 minute chart as much as possible, having some of the late retail loading up, if it's the scenario for the shorts. Last week's low, 923, I did expect a reaction from there and nothing happened. I wouldn't say disappointed, but I'm not happy with a 923. Yes, we're trading prop firm accounts. 30,000 loss. You see the balance. You see the minimum account balance. You see the type of account we're trading. 150,000 Lucid Flex. Probably we're going to have to nurture this trade for a while, and it will continue off stream. DCA out, DCA back. We have 3 big accounts, and the other 2, we have 5 funded on Lucid. Yes, exactly. Lucid sends out an email with a daily wrap-up overall performance. It's great. It's not a copy trading, but it's something similar to that. Again, we got some temporary resistance coming around. Remember, guys, about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and the giveaway starts. We must hit minimum 180 likes. Yeah. This is an interesting level. Let's get nicely still fall off the cliff. Have a look into that one, guys. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Give me a 2 minutes break. Giveaways will start soon. Remember that. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Bring it down below 840s. Below 840s. Oh, not today. Look at that buying pressure. Damn market makers hearing me. Oh. Look at that buying pressure, guys. That's just nuts. This is climbing, and I have to get out differently. 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Should be going down, are they? Oh my gosh. Not the best looking chart yet. But I think we can nicely sort it out. The balance has been built by proper trading, so we must collect 180 likes in the next 4 minutes, otherwise we do not do the giveaways. Final alert. The power of no consistency account. Look at that. All DCA out, DCA back, relax. We're just 8,000 down for today. 8,000 down. On 10 minis, that's not a lot of points. We have 400 points growth. 400 points so far. Three minutes to go to collect the likes. Yeah, but we have some profits for today. You want to see that on the right side, net P&L. That's our loss, basically, for today. We have $25,000 close profits. We're down, actually, $10,000 for the day. This trade is down quite a lot, but overall, for today, yeah. Two minutes to go for the giveaway. Target 180 likes. We're short by 9. That's a lot. 2 minutes must be achieved that. Market's still surviving. Market's still surviving. All great. Not a single problem. We're gonna fix the P&L. Great experience. We just cashed out. We got paid quickly. With FundedSeat. Great experience. We cashed out. We got paid. Everything's running smoothly. Oh, sorry to hear that, Chandra. But it was certainly not an easy day. Look at that. Beautiful. We touched the likes needed. We touched the target needed. Congratulations, guys. I'm still watching this one closely, but we're going to get started with the giveaways, and the trade is going to run for me for the next hours. Very likely I'm going to monitor and DCA out, the DCA back, and we'll try to apply the strategies of recovering. So tomorrow, you guys, exactly, Dark Trader, thank you. Tomorrow, we're going to find it out what happened today on the P&L. Tomorrow, we're going to find it out. Oh my gosh, more than 400 points. We had so many levels here to react. Anything like that would have been sufficient. Anything like that has not been offered. Giveaway time, giveaway starts, guys. Giveaway starts. So we need a ducks, we need the whale, and then we need formula. The way you join, it's quite simple. The way you join is quite simple. I don't have a stop loss for the moment. Still holding, yes. We're overall down 13, 14 grand today. Overall for the day. We had a pretty strong profit coming into this trade, 25 grand. But we're going to fix it. Find a way around it. Yeah. So, first giveaway, we're going to give out 2 accounts on the first giveaway. We're going to share 2 accounts. Tighten your seatbelts. 2 accounts in the first giveaway. Oh yeah. How you participate? Simply complete a form, everyone. Complete a form. Obviously, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Mandatory conditions. Mandatory. To participate in the giveaway. The giveaways. Haha. First giveaway will include an account of 25,000 Elite Daily from Tap-On-Futures and 25,000 FundedSeat Flex account. That's what we're going to share in this first giveaway. 2 accounts. Look at that, guys. Lovely move. That's a $10,000. Almost 10,000 protected here. There's room for downwards. There's room not to be afraid. Yes, 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 yes. Strongly believe we need a lot of time for markets to reverse. So I have to give it enough time. A simple guess, 1 guess per person. Guess the number. That's the game we're playing. You gotta guess the number. Between 0 and 7, guys. You want to start right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 7. Come on, guys. Best of luck. Start right now. Wow. What a silly candle. You see, this kind of candles of 1 minute, 50 points. Pushing 50 points the upside. This is the problem, guys, today. We're down around the 80s and then it pumped to 30s. 50 points in a matter of a few seconds is something I'm starting to dislike. It's not going to be an easy time. Oh yeah. Best of luck, guys. Just a single guess per person. Do not spam the chat. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle and we're good to go. Oh, oh. I can easily tell you the numbers that are not going to be. 6-0 will not be. Thinking about number 2, guys. Thinking. Yeah, we don't have number 3, so I have to reset. I have to reset the wheel. Let me refresh the wheel. We don't have the number 3. Great, you saw that. 6 and 7. Shuffle. And we're good to go. Thank you for observing. We didn't have number 3, guys. We didn't have it. We did not have it on the wheel. But the number 2 might be once again. Look at that, Jake. Oh! That's tilting. That's so tilting, right? For sure. Congratulations for the winners. We've got you on 0. Congratulations. Good job for the winners. I like this price section. You want to see that in the meantime? Look at that, guys. We're a green P&L overall. Time for the duck race. Tilted Jake at the end. Look at that. Let's do 30 seconds competition time. Told you first ranked will get the tap on futures, second ranked will get the funded seat. Best of luck, guys. A few more seconds to go. And Dark Trader Pro dominating. There you go. Congratulations, Dark Trader Pro. And Simone Rhoda. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Dark Trader Pro, you got this. 25,000 elite daily. Yes, you filled up the form. Congratulations. And then the next one, Simone. Simone. Yes, congratulations, Simone, for the funded seed. Good job. Look at that. Good job. Continuing. 50,000 Lucid Pro. We're going to give you a heavy 50,000 Lucid Pro account, $130. Wow, lovely. Lovely price section here, all the way back, all the way back. Watch out for the numbers we're going to put out. You just want to watch out. 50,000 Lucid Pro. It's not going to be an easy game. No. Lucid is by far #1 best ranked prop firm. Oh my gosh, so look into the numbers. We're going to have a double 0, a single 1, a double 2 this way, and a triple 3. You can start right now. Let's go. Double 0, single 1, double 2, triple 3. Did we just started a downtrend on the 1 minute? Did we just witness a reversal here? We're gonna find it out. Good job, guys. That's pretty much it. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over. We're going to shuffle and have a good run. Have a good run. Could be that double 3 we have there Blue and red. Yeah, that's the place we could land. Landed on 3. Good job. Congratulations. We actually had triple 3. Triple 3. I was playing darts with audio when I was a child and heading to triple 3. Triple. Congratulations for the winners. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Ha ha ha. We're green on the P&L for today. Not green on this trades. But let me tell you, we've ways around it. We've got ways around it. Congratulations for the winners. Oh, that's more than 100. Huge competition. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Ha 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 ha. Huge competition, guys, for the duck race. There's more than 100 guys. Look at that. Let's do 2 rounds for this. 2 rounds. So 1 minute competition time and 2 rounds. So I'll tell you who's qualifying to second round for the duck race. I'll tell you who's qualifying. The first ranked is not getting anything. The form is here in the chat pinned. It's also in our Discord. Right, so who's qualifying second rank? Listen up, guys. Second ranked plus 5th plus 10th plus the last. These are the 4 ducks that will qualify second round. 2nd, 5th, 10th, and the last. Best of luck, everyone. Trading around the 900s. I like it. I like it. 2nd, 5th, 10th, and the last for a Lucid Pro. Mysterious Man. You're actually the first ranked without winning anything. Mysterious Man. NQ Trading 00 second, you're fine. Market Profile on the 5th, on the 10th, Vintage Store, and then who's the last? Lucky Winner is the last on 115. We're gonna verify if you guys completed a form. Lucky Winner. Yes, congratulations. That's a good one. Who's the 10th? Vintage Store. Vintage Store is here. The second ranked NQ Trading, and then 5th. Oh my gosh. So NQ Trading and Market Profile. NQ, yes. And then Market Profile, yes. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. And I'm gonna tell you, the last one wins. Sorry, Maddie, you got on number 6. Pretty close, right? Last one wins here. We're gonna reward laziness. Do not be quick, fast, and productive. We're gonna reward laziness. The last one wins. Lucky Winner is the winner. Lucky Winner is the winner. Actually, he was the last on the duck race, guys. On the original duck race. Was he the last one? Yeah, I bet so. Lucky Winner from the last on the duck race, being the last on the second round, winning basically. Think about it. Think about the possibilities. You want to use the AI to do the math for that. What are the chances for someone to win under these conditions? 1 in a billion or what? Continuing, guys, we have one more giveaway. Continuing, we have the last one with YRM. As long as we still have YRM accounts, we're going to share them. I'm not going to keep them for anything else, right? We're going to share them. Lovely price action here. Let the 15-minute continue and the 5-minute do its job. Why would I interrupt it? Our shorts are still here, guys. Short is still here. I don't like this 1-minute candle, by the way. Oh, we'll have to look into it. Back in the day, I got my payout. Back in the day. Back in the day. Oh my gosh, what a pump. Wow. What a move. Looks like this is not going to be an easy trade, guys. So watch out for the numbers. Between 0 and 7, you can start right now. You can start right now. Between 0 and 7, let me know your best choice. Oh, look at that pump, guys. We just managed to do 100 points movement. This is insane. This is insane what's going on. 100 points, 80 points in 2 minutes. I don't think there is a way around this. We'll have to take the loss at some point and see how we can adjust it from there. Shorts might not be in the book today for this time. Nah, look at that, guys. Bouncing on last week's low. Very powerful. Very powerful. This is so bad for me. If Trump is not typing something weird, you want to stop right there. No more guesses, guys. Stop right there. Shuffle. Ashkar, you're going to have a timeout. Number 4 for the winners. He's going to have a timeout for sure. Lovely rejection for the moment. Number 4 for the winners. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good job. Good job, guys. Number 4 for the winners. Look at that one, Jake. Your number 2 is right there. Another tilting moment. But I like this 1-minute candle, guys. I like this 30 price action. Such a dirty. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh. First time picking the numbers in all your races. It's not bad. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. So, finally, we just got to clear that last week's freaking low. So we start celebrating. Are we? 40 winners. But that's a beautiful, guys, candle. Unbelievable. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. Not more. Start right there. We got to look into the charts. Because this is a weird price action already. Oh yeah. Weird price action. The winner is taking the YRM account. The winner, Rino Stiantoni. Anthony. Congratulations, Rinos. Rinos sounds like a Latin, Italian, or South American. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. We're about to print. We're about to print with the price action coming all the way back. Oh, yeah. From 45,000 being down, we're just down 12, 13K. And we're still holding it. Oh, yeah. Thank you once again, guys. Beautiful session today. No losses yet. You're going to find out tomorrow what happened with these trades. I'm going to nurture them. I'm going to adjust DCA out, DCA back, and handle the procedure till we successfully close out, hopefully, on green. Thank you once again. Make sure to join our Discord in the meantime. We're continuing our great chat over there. I see you tomorrow. 8 a.m. EST time. Have a lovely and a beautiful day.